Top 5 Business Ideas in 2024. In the rapidly evolving landscape of 2024, businesses are continually challenged to adapt to emerging trends, technological advancements, and shifting consumer preferences. To thrive in this dynamic environment, entrepreneurs need to embrace innovation and identify lucrative opportunities. Here, we present 5 cutting-edge business ideas poised for success in 2024, along with detailed analyses of their potential. Number 5. Sustainable fashion platform. The rise of environmental consciousness among consumers has catalyzed a profound shift in the fashion industry. Increasingly, individuals are seeking out eco-friendly alternatives that align with their values of sustainability and ethical consumption. In response to this growing demand, the concept of a sustainable fashion platform has emerged as a compelling business proposition. By curating a selection of clothing, accessories, and beauty products that are ethically produced and environmentally friendly, such a platform can resonate strongly with conscientious consumers. Central to the success of this business idea is a commitment to transparency throughout the supply chain. By providing visibility into sourcing practices, manufacturing processes, and material origins, the platform can build trust with customers who prioritize fair labor practices and eco-conscious materials. Emphasizing these principles not only aligns with ethical values, but also differentiates the platform in a crowded marketplace, where authenticity and integrity are increasingly valued by discerning consumers. Moreover, leveraging technology to enhance the user experience can further elevate the appeal of the sustainable fashion platform. Virtual try-on experiences powered by augmented reality, AR, or virtual reality, VR, technology can provide customers with a more immersive and interactive shopping experience, enabling them to visualize how clothing and accessories will look and fit before making a purchase. Additionally, personalized recommendations based on user preferences and past purchases can enhance engagement and foster a sense of connection with the brand. In terms of market potential, the sustainable fashion market is poised for significant growth. Projections indicate that sustainable fashion sales could reach $9.81 billion by 2024, underscoring the lucrative opportunity for businesses operating in this space. As consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions, the demand for eco-friendly fashion alternatives is expected to continue rising, driving further expansion of the market. Number 4. Remote work solutions. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the transition to remote work, fundamentally reshaping the way businesses operate and collaborate. While this shift has brought numerous benefits, such as increased flexibility and reduced overhead costs, it has also introduced a host of challenges for organizations navigating the complexities of remote work environments. Chief among these challenges are issues related to remote collaboration, communication, and productivity, which have become focal points for businesses seeking to adapt and thrive in this new paradigm. In response to these challenges, there exists a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs to establish businesses offering comprehensive remote work solutions. Such solutions encompass a range of technologies and services designed to facilitate seamless remote collaboration and productivity. Key components of these solutions may include virtual collaboration tools that enable real-time communication and collaboration among remote teams, project management software that streamlines task allocation and tracking, and cybersecurity services to safeguard sensitive data in distributed work environments. By addressing these pain points with innovative solutions tailored to the unique needs of remote work environments, entrepreneurs can capitalize on the growing demand for remote work technologies and services. Market analysis indicates that the global remote work technology market is poised for substantial growth, with forecasts projecting it to exceed $7.85 billion by 2024. This growth trajectory is driven by the increasing adoption of remote work practices across industries, as organizations recognize the need for flexibility and resilience in the face of global uncertainties. Furthermore, as businesses continue to embrace remote work as a long-term strategy, the demand for sophisticated remote work solutions is expected to intensify. Entrepreneurs who can offer innovative technologies and services that address the evolving needs of remote work environments stand to benefit from this trend, positioning themselves as indispensable partners to businesses navigating the complexities of remote work. Number 3. Health tech wearables for mental wellness. In recent years, there has been a significant shift in societal attitudes towards mental health, with increasing recognition of the importance of emotional well-being. This cultural shift has fueled a growing demand for innovative solutions that empower individuals to monitor and manage their mental health effectively. In response to this demand, health tech wearables equipped with advanced sensors and features tailored to mental wellness have emerged as a promising avenue for entrepreneurs. These health tech wearables leverage cutting-edge sensor technology to monitor key physiological indicators associated with mental health, such as heart rate variability, sleep patterns, and stress levels. By providing users with real-time data and insights into their emotional and physiological states, these wearables offer valuable tools for self-awareness and self-care. Additionally, many of these wearables integrate features such as guided meditation, breathing exercises, and mood tracking, empowering users to proactively manage their mental well-being. Market analysis indicates that the global mental health technology market is poised for substantial growth, driven by increasing awareness and acceptance of digital mental health solutions. Projections suggest that by 2024, the market could exceed $4.6 billion, underscoring the significant opportunity for entrepreneurs operating in this space. As consumers increasingly prioritize mental wellness and seek out innovative solutions to support their emotional well-being, entrepreneurs have the opportunity to capitalize on this trend by developing health tech wearables that cater specifically to the growing demand for mental health solutions. Moreover, the potential impact of these wearables extends beyond individual users, as they also have the potential to facilitate early intervention and personalized treatment approaches in clinical settings. By providing healthcare professionals with access to real-time data on patients' mental health metrics, these wearables can enhance diagnostic accuracy, treatment efficacy, and overall patient outcomes. Number 2. Personalized nutrition services. The increasing emphasis on health and wellness has led to a growing interest among consumers in personalized nutrition solutions that cater to their individual needs and preferences. Recognizing this trend, entrepreneurs have an opportunity to establish businesses that offer personalized nutrition services, leveraging advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and genetic testing to deliver customized dietary recommendations. By harnessing the power of AI algorithms and genetic testing, these personalized nutrition services can analyze factors such as individuals' genetics, lifestyle choices, health goals, and dietary preferences to create tailored nutrition plans. These plans may include personalized meal recommendations, grocery shopping guidance, recipe suggestions, and ongoing nutritional support. By taking into account each person's unique biological makeup and lifestyle factors, these services can optimize nutritional intake and promote better health outcomes. The market for personalized nutrition is experiencing rapid growth, fueled by consumer demand for solutions that address their specific health needs and goals. Market analysis indicates that by 2024, the personalized nutrition market is expected to reach $11.5 billion, highlighting the significant opportunity for entrepreneurs operating in this space. As consumers increasingly prioritize health and seek out personalized solutions to improve their well-being, entrepreneurs can capitalize on this trend by offering innovative personalized nutrition services. Moreover, advancements in technology, particularly in AI and genetic testing, are driving the development of more sophisticated and accurate personalized nutrition solutions. These technological advancements enable businesses to deliver highly personalized recommendations based on comprehensive data analysis, further enhancing the value proposition for consumers. Number 1. Green energy solutions. The global shift towards sustainability and the increasing adoption of renewable energy sources have created a fertile ground for entrepreneurial ventures specializing in green energy solutions. Recognizing the growing demand for sustainable alternatives, entrepreneurs have the opportunity to establish businesses focused on the development and implementation of renewable energy technologies. A business that specializes in green energy solutions can offer a range of products and services tailored to the evolving needs of both residential and commercial customers. This may include the installation and maintenance of renewable energy systems such as solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage systems. By harnessing the power of renewable resources, these technologies enable customers to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels, lower their carbon footprint, and contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Additionally, businesses in this space can offer value-added services, such as energy audits and efficiency upgrades. Energy audits help customers identify areas of inefficiency in their energy consumption, allowing them to make informed decisions about how to optimize their energy usage and reduce waste. Efficiency upgrades, such as the installation of energy-efficient appliances or insulation improvements, can further enhance energy savings and environmental sustainability. Market analysis indicates that the global renewable energy market is experiencing rapid growth, driven by government initiatives, technological advancements, and increasing environmental awareness. By 2024, the market is projected to exceed $1.5 trillion, underscoring the significant opportunity for entrepreneurs operating in this space. As governments around the world implement policies to promote renewable energy adoption and combat climate change, the demand for innovative green energy solutions is expected to continue growing. Entrepreneurs can seize opportunities in this burgeoning market by providing innovative green energy solutions that not only meet the evolving needs of customers, but also contribute to a sustainable future for generations to come. By leveraging technological advancements and offering comprehensive services that address both residential and commercial energy needs, businesses in this space can position themselves for success in the rapidly expanding renewable energy market. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos.